Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of your hi5 account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open hi5 application. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Click on Settings icon. Now scroll down your screen and tap on Logout option in the last row. And if you're sure, click on the Logout option once again. So that is how you can log out of your hi5 account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.